Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this little jewelry piece from Pandora, and let's dive right into the box and see what this is all about. And as you can see, it is a bracelet, which I saw the other day, and I had to pick that up, and it is more like a little, well, yeah, nice braided, gold-ish bracelet, I would say. It has got your typical um, centerpiece. You can open up, you can throw in some beads, and charms and stuff if you wanted to, but I thought it would look really nice. You got nice branding going on, just as usual, and it looks pretty nicely. I will just throw it on my arm. Just imagine it would be a not as hairy arm. Maybe I don't know. Maybe 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 there's people that have more hair than I have and they are wearing bracelets and stuff. But that's what it would look like. Got some nice room. It is a little stiff, which I think is giving it this extra touch as well, though. And all in all, I think a really nice and good-looking piece where you can't go wrong at all. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice present, gift, whatever, and it's for a Pandora fan, this might be it. Because I don't know, I think it's timeless and looking good. So take care, you guys. Bye.